We have a story with the sea. It begins with the dawn of every morning. As the sun casts its golden rays across the sea, spreading its light everywhere, turning its every drop into a glowing pearl, and its every wave breaking on the shores into a story, narrated by one and all, near and far, and sung by all who have a beating heart. Man alone is the one that can make change. We in the Arab Bridge Maritime have adopted modernization and development as our method for change. We have employed all our capabilities and capacities to make this Arab dream a reality on the ground and a living example of the Arab people's ability, when there is willpower and good intentions, to succeed. The Arab Bridge Maritime is a story whose chapters are told by the economic, political, and social cooperation among the Arab people on both sides of the Red Sea, itself a beating artery that unites all the components of the Arab dream. Arab Bridge Maritime was launched after a joint agreement between the governments of Iraq, Egypt, and Jordan. AB Maritime's establishment became the first real building block for actual Arab unity and cohesion. The main headquarters was set up in Jordan and in Aqaba in particular. Other branches were established in Amman, Cairo, Baghdad, and Nuweiba. From the outset, the establishment of AB Maritime adopted a brotherly dimension to complement the joint economic cooperation and to strengthen the bonds of cooperation and connection among the founding countries, especially in the field of marine transportation. It also contributed to a large extent to increasing the commercial exchange that is considered a basic requirement for developing economic relations and linking the Arab East with the Arab West. AB Maritime acquired a high level of expertise in the field of transporting passengers and goods since its establishment in 1985 and continued to build on it until it attained the advanced position where it stands today. AB Maritime also succeeded in achieving large financial earnings that increased its capital from $6 million at the time of its establishment to $100 million. This is evidence of AB Maritime's wise management of its resources and its customer-oriented approach, as well as the development of available resources and the introduction of the best means and resources to keep abreast with global practices in transportation and to implement the best standards of safety, comfort, and speed. Upgrading AB Maritime's fleet to make it the most modern fleet in the region, with the aim of achieving security and safety according to international standards. Facilitating ticketing procedures and increasing the work speed through the installation of the automated booking system, similar to those of aviation companies, as well as adopting a network of distributors in all the Arab countries. Shifting specialization towards transportation from passenger vessels through speedboats for businessmen and seekers of quick services to tourists-specific boats that meet our clients' various needs. Because our clients' time is precious, we've shortened the journey from the previous 6 hours to only 2 hours. AB Maritime's activities focus on transporting passengers, trucks, vehicles, and goods on the Aqaba-Nuweiba line, as well as transporting pilgrims from Egypt and North Africa to the Holy Lands. With tourism having a major economic and social importance, we have given particular interest to this sector. AB Maritime has truly become a bridge of communication among the Arab countries. AB Maritime have transported tourist groups between the resorts of South Sinai, Taba, Nuweiba, Dahab, Sharm el-Sheikh, and the Golden Triangle in Jordan. In the early beginning, AB Maritime had relied on leased vessels. Today, AB Maritime owns its own fleets of 7 vessels adorning the waters of the Red Sea. The Princess entered the service in the waters of the Red Sea in 2003. She was built especially for Arab Bridge Maritime in Italy. The Princess has a maximum speed of 40 knots, enabling her to complete the journey between Aqaba and Nuweiba in less than 1 hour. The high-speed boat Queen Nefertiti, which personifies beauty and excellence, joined AB Maritime's fleet in 2007. Queen Nefertiti boasts large, luxurious halls and vast recreation areas. In 2008, AB Maritime brought in a new addition to its Red Sea fleet by bringing in Bridge, in order to meet the increasing demand on the transportation of trucks and cars. The addition marked a step to upgrade the fleet and its effectiveness between Aqaba and Nuweiba. In 2009, Amman, named after the capital city of Jordan, was introduced. Amman specializes in the transportation of passengers, cars, and trucks. The year 2010 marked a significant development for AB Maritime's fleet, as Ayla, the historical name of the city of Aqaba, joined the fleet. Also in 2010, the high-speed boat Babel was constructed in Australia, especially for AB Maritime. Babel specializes in tourism operations, transporting tourists between Aqaba and Taba in an atmosphere of elegance with outstanding service in luxurious halls and comfortable quarters. At the end of 2012, AB Maritime purchased Sinai, named after Sinai Peninsula in the Arab Republic of Egypt. Sinai was constructed in 1995. Sinai is considered the most up-to-date shipping vessel in the Red Sea and is known for her comfortable and spacious quarters.
الجيش العربي الآن يمتلك أسطوله بالكامل، وعندما تمتلك أسطولك تمتلك قرارك، وبالتالي تستطيع أن تحدد الكلف وتحدد حركة البواخر. ما نبيعه في الجيش العربي نبيع سيف الرايفل. عندما نتحدث عن سيف الرايفل نتحدث عن شركة لم يعتريها أي خلل أو أي اضطراب في مهنيتها، ساهمت مساهمة فاعلة في السيطرة على النقليات في البحر الأحمر، وتتربع على عرش النقل فيما يتعلق بالركاب وفيما يتعلق بالشحن والسيارات. مهنية الجيش العربي انعكست على الاقتصاديات بشكل مباشر، ساهمت في دعم موازنات الدول المساهمة، ولنا آفاق بإذن الله مستقبلية لتطوير أعمالنا إن شاء الله.
AB Maritime has achieved one certification after another, including the ISM certificate and ISO 9001 certificate of quality. These stand as evidence towards advancement and expansion. AB Maritime transported more than 25 million passengers and more than 2 million vehicles through more than 50,000 voyages. AB Maritime owns 50% of the Arab Ship Management Company, which is the only company in Jordan that specializes in ship management. The Arab Company for Ship Management offers comprehensive management services to vessels in line with international standards, which requires the employment of the best engineering and marine capabilities. AB Maritime owns 30% of the Jordanian Academy for Marine Studies, which is the only scientific landmark in Jordan that specializes in marine studies. AB Maritime has investment in the establishment of a desalination plant for AB Maritime in Nuweiba port in order to provide potable water for passengers and for AB Maritime's fleet.
رسالة من إدارة الجيش العربي إلى كل من ينتقل أو يسافر على متن بواخرنا، نتمنى لهم دائما أطيب الأوقات ورحلات سعيدة، ومؤكدين لهم حرصنا الشديد على خدمتهم بمهنية عالية وبحرص شديد على راحتهم ونقلهم نقل آمن من ميناء القيام إلى ميناء الوصول.
The sea has penned across the ages with poets' ink a never-ending story. The Red Sea stood as a witness since olden times to Arabs' unity and cohesion. Across its expansive area, the lines of unity were written, bringing closer all that is far. The Arab Bridge Maritime. Together, we make success. Bringing together the pieces. The Arab Bridge Maritime. We